Hello friends. Earlier we learned to write a simple C# program, that is to print a string on the console. Now let us do deep diving into C# further. C# is an object-oriented language that helps the developer visualize the program using real-life objects. Other benefits of object-oriented designs are that it provides ease of use and reusability. Pointers are not there in C#, hence making it simple. Now we will see what are classes and what are objects. Classes are a software template that defines the methods and variables that needs to be included in a particular kind of object. It is a blueprint used to create an object. A class will have states and will have behaviors. Now we will learn to create a simple class. We will right click here, select add new item. We will select class here, give the name of the class. We will create a student class. A class template is created by default. Now here we need to add states and behaviors. Here we will add roll numbers, first name, last name of a student and a couple of methods. So here you can, now student class is ready. You can see here that getMarks and getFee status are giving compile time error because we are returning int from this method and we have not implemented anything. So that's why. Don't worry about that. Once we will implement, it will go off. So here we can see that student has roll numbers, first name and last name as states, and behaviors will be getMarks and getFee status. Now we will see what are objects. Object is a representation of the real world object. Also, one more thing to note is that an object is different from the other object even if they are instantiated from the same class. Now we will create an object of this student class in our program class. A student class can have object as Peter, John, now I have created two objects of the student class, Peter and John. We can access the states and behaviors, data, member variables and methods of that student class here. When we see here, we can find that getFee status method and getMarks method are present here and can be used. But you can notice that member variables are not listed here. This is because access specifier is not mentioned here. Access specifier, I'll explain you in detail in later tutorial. Just for now, I'll tell that we will put public access specifier here, which will make it accessible across other classes also. Now here you can see we have first name, last name, roll number. Now both the variables and methods are accessible from the program class. So today we learned about classes and objects. Thank you everyone.